Hey guys, welcome here. My name is Deepak Shah and today we will learn about comments in HTML. Comments are not displayed by the browser, but they can help you to document your HTML source code. With comment, you can place notification and reminder in HTML. So let's take an example first. So create a new file first, copy the code and paste into new file and save the file first. I'm gonna save it with comment.html. Save as type is all, and now save it. Alright, so this is a comment example. Fine. Now I'm going to change the title. So title is my title. Done. Now I'm gonna add a paragraph, and paragraph is this as comment example. Alright, now close the paragraph tag, and I'm gonna add another paragraph. Let's guess it was previously added, and the another paragraph is this is old example. Alright, so I'm gonna add this paragraph into the comment. So for comment, angle bracket, then exclamation mark, then double dash, and end with double dash and the angle bracket. Alright, now save the code and open in the browser. So just double click on the file and here's file open. So you can see here is just one paragraph. This is comment example. You can't say this is old example. This paragraph is commented. So let's add this into comment also, and alright, fine. Now save the file and refresh. So this paragraph is also added as a comment, and if you want to see the comment, just right click on the screen and inspect and bottom. Alright, now let me maximize first. Alright, so remove the mobile. Alright, so in body you can see the comment, but on the screen you can't see the comment code. So comment will help you understand the HTML code. Alright.